we shoot it, edit and loop it. Studios live at the podcast vibe from
into this video. I'm going to show you how to connect this PC to this PC. What do I mean? I want to connect the EasyWorship from this side. Let me see. So someone is just trying to control EasyWorship, changing the scriptures and whatever here, and I want to receive it here on this second PC. So someone can sit on this, and someone can also sit on this and switch between the cameras. Okay, so you can switch the cameras all around and switch it. But I want to also control EasyWorship on the same PC, but now I can't do that work. I want to give that work to someone here on the PC. Okay, so send the EasyWorship from this side to me. So the sender and the receiver. How are you going to do that? Now, first of all, let's try to have a conversation about this. Try to connect both PC on the same network. I always try to use the internet hotspot from my phone, and I think that one won't help because I'm trying to use that same network to stream to live. Okay, and I think that one will just disturb us. Okay, so just try to use the internet cable. Just connect to the internet port of your first PC and the second PC. Just connect the internet cable and you are good to go.
We plan it, we shoot it, edit and loop it. Studios live at the podcast vibe from weddings to worship. We keep dreams alive. Honesty Media, we bring it to life with the sharpest cuts and the clearest mic. Stream it, record it, design on point, creativity.
Try to confirm it here like an undefined network. So try to confirm it on your network side. You can see that it's an undefined network. Now if you go to the other PC, there will be the same thing here on the screen. It should be undefined network. I think that's it. Now both PC is connected to the same network at the same time. Now how are you going to connect, or how are you going to send the EasyWorship from here to here? Or I mean from this PC to this PC? And it's very simple. Now let me just minimize EasyWorship. I'm going to send EasyWorship to this OBS and send the output of this OBS to this OBS on the receiver. It's very simple. Okay, now let's go to EasyWorship. EasyWorship, if you're not using any external monitor for your EasyWorship, just try to go to the option tab and change your appearance to, I mean the output monitor, to your custom position. So you can see that here I've choose this custom position because I don't want my output or my entire screen of EasyWorship to cover the screen, so that it will not disturb me. Okay, so just choose custom position. That's all. Just choose one. Okay, let's go to OBS. Now let's try to send EasyWorship to OBS. Now let me close this one. Okay, so I want to close this one and show you what is happening here. Okay, now create your scene, and if you want to send anything like video or picture on this output, it will also show up here, so you can also communicate with that. Okay, not only EasyWorship, I think you can also do things, because I'm trying to show you how to just connect both pieces. Okay, so create your scene. For me, I created this scene as Bible scene. Okay, and let's go to the sources and choose window capture. Now window capture, I want to name this as Bible. Okay, so just try to name it. Okay, now Bible. Good. Now let me go ahead and select the window. I want to select the live output of EasyWorship. Okay, let me take out the capture cursor, and I have a video on how to connect EasyWorship to OBS. It's very simple. Just go ahead and watch it. Okay, now after that, okay, click on Ctrl F. I think it's okay for now. I've EasyWorship on my OBS, and I want to send this to this side. Now you can see that it's shown here. You can see that here. So how are you going to do that? Now OBS have same network right now, but we can't connect both EasyWorship on the PC. What you need is a plugin. Let's go ahead and download Teleport. We are going to use Teleport for this connection. Now Teleport is a plugin for OBS that can connect something on this output of OBS to this output of OBS, or I mean as an input. Okay, now it's very simple. Just go ahead and download Teleport on your website, OBS website. forum, okay, or you can also download it from the description below. Okay, I've just posted it there, and you can also download it there, and that's all. Just try to install it on your OBS or your PC. I mean, just double tap on it, then you're good to go. There's no need of nest or whatever. That's it. Now, after teleport, just go ahead and restart your PC. Okay, so just restart your PC and have the full control of teleport. Okay, that's very simple. Now let me go ahead and confirm the teleport. Okay, just go ahead and click on tools and go to teleport. You have to see teleport. Okay, if you go here, you can see that you have teleport enabled. So just click on teleport enabled. Okay, and try to name your teleport so that you can see that name here on the second PC. Okay, so just try to name it. For me, I have to name it Honesty Media. Okay, so just click on OK. Now you have OBS here, we have EasyWorship here, we have teleport here. Now let's go to the second PC. Okay, you want to send this to the side. That's very simple. Now let me go to this PC. Let me just delete this one and bring in the teleport. So we are going to have the teleport on this one. Okay, so just install the same teleport here on the second PC, I mean on the first PC. Just create a scene for your Bible to switch between that. Okay, so now this is my scene here. Let me go to the sources and go to teleport. Okay, so just click on teleport and name it. So I want to name it Bible or Bible scene or whatever. That's it. Click on OK. Now click on the refresh list here. Just click on the refresh list and click on the disable here. You can see that the name you posted it on the first PC, I mean this PC, you can see that here. It's very simple. Just click on that and you're good to go. Whatever is here is coming to this side. If you have picture, if you have video here, it will also come here. So I just want to use it as EasyWorship. Now let me just minimize this OBS. Let me finish with this one. Okay, so just click on OK and we are good to go. I think you can see that here. So this EasyWorship here is here. Now whatever you control here, so let me just give out quotation. I think with 0 points, I think it's an fade transition, but if it is on cut, you can see that it's 0.01 delay or latency. It's very simple here. So I think enter, you can see that the Bible is also showing up here on the PC, and very simple. Okay, and that's it. I think boom, you can see that here. So now this is how you can also do this method here on OBS. It's very simple to do that. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. You can see that here. So just switching whatever is switching, microphone, camera, port, and Bible. It's very simple. Okay, just use teleport, connect your internet to your same network. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use same method here on vMix. Okay, so we are using teleport here on OBS. What tool are you going to use on vMix? Let me see on the comment section, man. Thank you for watching.
That's right.